Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to boot in safe mode Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to boot in safe mode Windows 11 from settings. To get started, click on the Start menu and click on Settings. There, click on Recovery. Now click on the Restart Now button. You must confirm this process. After that, Windows will reboot in an advanced way. Now click on Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Finally, click on Startup Settings. After this, click on Restart. When the system reboots, press the F5 or F4 key to access one of these safe modes. The system will reboot. You will be able to see that the system has started in this safe mode. Now you can restart the system to access as normal. Chapter 2. How to boot in safe mode Windows 11 from lock screen. To start, on the lock screen, click the Power Off button. Press the Shift key on your keyboard and click Restart. The system will be started in advanced mode. Now click on Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Finally, click on Startup Settings. After this, click on Restart. When the system reboots, press F5 or F4 key to access one of these safe modes. The system will reboot. You will see that it starts in safe mode. You can reboot the system to access normal mode. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. How to boot in safe mode Windows 11 from system repair. To start, reboot the system. You will do this process 3 times to access the automatic repair. You can use the physical button on the computer too. You are going to wait for the repair to finish and the equipment to be diagnosed. There you will click on the Advanced Options button. Now click on Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Finally, click on Startup Settings. After this, click on Restart. When the system reboots, press the F5 or F4 key to access one of these safe modes. The system will reboot. You will be logged in safe mode. Reboot the system to have normal access to Windows. Chapter 4. How to boot in safe mode Windows 11 using ISO. To get started, go to the URL described in the video. Download the utility to create the installation media. This allows you to create the bootable media with Windows. The next step is to restart the system and have the media connected to the computer. You will have access to the Windows installation window. There you will click Next, then click Repair your computer. Now click on Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options, finally click on Startup Settings. After this, click on Restart. When the system reboots, press the F5 or F4 key to access one of these safe modes. The system will reboot. The session will be in secure mode. To return to normal mode, you have two options. Restart your computer normally or do the following. In the search engine, enter the word msconfig. Now, open the utility by clicking on it. On the General tab, check the Normal Startup box. Apply the changes. From the Start menu, restart Windows to have normal access. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.